In primetime news this evening, gunmen spray bullets on teens playing football in Manchester community.
Suspects in the infamous Maypen robbery and shootout are now in police custody.
And JUTC blames a sabotage for recent bus fires.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, and Herman Green has our preview. Herman?
Thank you, Janella. Well, Carreras says the increased tax on cigarettes has done more harm than good. One of the harms, less tax collected by the government. I'll tell you the others later in the financial week.
And Jordan, what's happening in sports?
Well, Archie, the West Indies got off to a winning start in the ICC Cricket World Cup, but there may be a bit of an injury concern for two of the team's biggest stars. I'll tell you more about that in Primetime Sports Friday.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This email asking, what do you think can be done to preserve historical sites?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. The news in detail right after this break.